Hi everybody, here is our 5th radiology know-how case. Please specify the lesion present. There is a 2.1 cm effective diameter spiculated left upper lobe lung nodule adjacent to the left upper thoracic spine and aortic arch. Maximum Hounsfield units 435. Maximum diameter 3.2 cm. This is highly suspicious for a primary lung neoplasm. Causes of lung masses could be classified into 3 main groups, which are bronchogenic carcinoma, metastasis or hydatid cyst. To differentiate between these 3 groups, look if the lesion is cystic or solid in nature. If it is solid, your diagnosis is bronchogenic carcinoma versus metastasis, but if it is cystic, look to internal wall aspect of the lesion. If it is irregular, think cavitating neoplasm, but if it is regular, think hydatid cyst.